In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a compromised site error in Google Ads. If your ad has been disapproved because of this issue, don't worry. We'll walk through the steps to resolve it efficiently so your campaigns can get back on track. First, head over to the Google Ads platform. You can access it through any web browser, but make sure you have a stable internet connection to avoid interruptions during the process. Once on the homepage, locate the Sign In button, usually at the top right corner. Click it and enter your account credentials. If you manage multiple accounts, ensure you're in the one affected by the error. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Google Ads home, where you can see an overview of all your campaigns and their current statuses. Familiarizing yourself with this interface is important because it helps you track any alerts, warnings, or disapprovals your campaigns may have received. Next, let's delve into the settings to identify the root of the problem. In the top navigation bar, locate the Tools and Settings icon, typically represented by a wrench near the right end of the menu. Click it to reveal a drop-down menu, and from there, select Troubleshooting. This section is essential for diagnosing and fixing issues related to your campaigns and account. Within Troubleshooting, look for the Policy Manager. The Policy Manager is crucial because it contains all compliance-related notifications and reports from Google Ads. By accessing it, you can see exactly why your site was flagged or disapproved. Any alerts or messages here will give you insights into what went wrong and may even suggest ways to fix the problem. Once you've reviewed the messages, take steps to resolve the issues. This could involve scanning your website for malware, updating software, ensuring your content complies with Google Ads policies, or seeking professional help if needed. Addressing these points carefully is essential to prevent future disapprovals. After making the necessary corrections, return to Google Ads and revisit the Policy Manager. Here, you should have the option to request a review of your site. Google will reevaluate your website, and if everything is in order, they will lift the disapproval and allow your ads to run again. And there you have it, a clear, step-by-step guide to addressing and fixing a compromised site error in Google Ads. Maintaining compliance with Google Ads policies is crucial for keeping your campaigns running smoothly and ensuring your ads reach your audience effectively. Regular monitoring, timely updates, and proactive security measures can prevent these issues from happening again. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you restore your account and get your advertising efforts back on track successfully.